Up to 2 lakhs worth scholarship is sponsored to the students of medical, engineering, bachelor's and diploma courses. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. This scholarship provided by the esteemed Ramanathan Public Charitable Trust aims to empower underprivileged youth in Tamil Nadu by providing access to a quality education. Let's dive into the details of this impactful scholarship. The Ramanathan Public Charitable Trust, founded in the year 2003, is dedicated to ensuring that every underprivileged child in India has an opportunity to access a quality education. With a strong belief in transformative power of education, RPCT endeavors to uplift the next generation from the poverty, paving the way to a brighter future. This scholarship stands as a testament to RPCT's commitment to building a poverty-free society through education. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait, not only scholarship, we also provide information on internship opportunities on our portal, check now. Ensure that you have following documents ready before you apply for this scholarship. Passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, HSC and SSLC mark sheet, income certificate, valid email ID and phone number, death certificate of your parents if applicable, ration card and family photograph. Guys, hit the like button, that motivates us to create more videos on scholarship and internship. For a quick updates, follow us on Instagram. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box and you'll be redirected to application, where you need to give the details like enter a valid email ID, enter your name or the applicant name in both Tamil and English, enter the date of birth, select the gender, enter the address along with the district and the pin code, enter a valid 10-digit mobile number, select the caste and category you belong to, and then you need to answer the question like are you physically challenged, select the option yes or no accordingly, then click on the next button. There you need to fill the details like education details like marks you have secured in class 10th or SSLC and along with a percentage. After that you need to give the details about your HSC marks and the percentage you have secured. Select the option of your mother tongue. Next you need to give the details about your past education, that is college name, address. Along with that you need to provide the type of the school you have opted, that was that a government, aided or the private institution. Then you need to provide the detail about college admission obtained. If yes, then provide the details of the same. If no, then select the option no. Next you need to provide the details that what is the expected college fees and what amount of scholarship which can cover your college fees. What is the expected scholarship amount that can cover your college fees, how much your family can contribute for your college fees, and give the details if you have bagged any other scholarship or any other financial assistance if you are getting from other resources, then provide what is the amount you are getting as a sponsorship. If not, then you can select the 0. If not obtained the college admission, then please state the course you plan to study. Select the option from the drop down. Then you need to provide the details like if you have appeared for NEET or JEE, provide the percentage of the same. Other than academics, if you have done any achievements in extracurricular activities, provide the details of the same. Then you need to answer a question that how did you hear about RPCT scholarship? You can provide the detail like you have heard it from the Global Scholarship. Next, let's provide the details about the family. Enter the father name and select the option like your father is alive but they are not supportive or separated or deceased. Then provide the detail about the guardian if father isn't alive. Then provide the detail of age of the father or the guardian. Then provide the education detail of father or the guardian. Provide the job details of the father or the guardian. What is the annual income of the father or the guardian? Provide the same details with respect to mother as well. Name of the mother, her education, whether she is a working woman. If yes, then provide her annual income. Then you need to provide the detail like you own any properties, like you have any land for the farming and all. Provide the details if you have. If not, you can leave the option. Then you need to provide the details about the siblings, that is how many number of brothers and sisters you have and what they are doing. If they are still studying, provide the education details of the same. If they are working, then provide the job title along with their salary for the annual income. If any property is in the name of student or the applicant, if yes, then provide the details of the same and what is the value of that property, for example 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever it is, select the option accordingly. Is your parent or the guardian own a house? If yes, then what is the value of the property? If no, then you are staying in the rented house, then please provide the detail like what is the per month rent. If you need alerts on scholarship and internship, then you need to upgrade it to plus. Not only alerts, you will get guidance from the experts. Even you will get a stats of the scholarship like how many have applied for the scholarship and what are the chances you have for winning the particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only 599, and the best part is this you can access for the lifetime or till you complete your education. The next phase of the application is you need to upload the all necessary documents which I mentioned earlier, like passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, mark sheet of SSLC and HSC, death certificate of the parents if applicable, then income certificate and family photo. The next phase of the application is about declaration. The first is like you have to give the declaration or the agreement where your parent and you have given all the relevant information and the documents, and your parent or the guardian insisting or assuring to the RPCT that this scholarship amount will be utilized only for your education. And the next point is like this information is reserved only for the RPCT trust. And the last is like you are giving a commitment to give back to the society after your employment. Click on the submit button. To be eligible for Ramanathan Public Charitable Trust Scholarship, applicant must be a resident of Tamil Nadu. This scholarship is open for all the genders. Applicant must have completed his or her class 12 in the present or the previous academic year. Applicant must have enrolled or admitted in the government school or the college. Applicant must be pursuing the studies in the following discipline like engineering, medical, paramedical, arts, science or more. Applicant's age limit must have not crossed more than 20 years. Applicant must have secured minimum of 80% in class 10th and 12th. Additionally, applicant must have secured 90% in PCM or core combination. Applicant's annual family income should not exceed more than 2 lakhs rupees. Applicant must have not received any other financial assistance like other scholarships or loan to continue with his or her studies. The selection process for the Ramanathan Public Charitable Trust involves a thorough evaluation. The scholarship applications will go a rigorous vetting by the trust members. The shortlisted candidates will be invited for the personal interview. The volunteers of the trust will conduct a home verification. The number of students sponsored will be determined based on the need. Upon the selection, trust will make sure that the amount will be directly credited to institution or the college to cover the maximum amount of the fees. If this scholarship is not suitable for you, then here you go with another information that 35,000 worth scholarship is sponsored by government to engineering, medical, undergraduate, postgraduate, agriculture, diploma and other courses. To know more details about this scholarship, watch the video on the right side.